Open the app to search and connect to the Mecha. Follow the prompts of the app and complete the tutorial and practices. After that, the speed limit can be removed gradually. The initial speed is 3.7 miles per hour. After you finish the tutorial video, the speed will go up to 6 miles per hour. When you finish driving 0.2 miles in your Mecha Kit, the speed of 8.7 miles per hour will be unlocked. When you need to recharge your Mecha Kit, we need to disconnect the cable from the battery and remove the battery pack from the rear compartment. Use the USB charger provided to charge your battery until the light goes out. When you need to recharge your self-balancing vehicle, you don't need to detach it from the Mecha Kit. You can simply charge it while it's assembled. If we push the joysticks forward, we move forward. If we pull the joysticks backwards, we move backwards. If I push my left joystick forward and pull my right joystick back, I'll move to the right. If I push my right joystick forward and pull my left joystick back, I move to the left. If I want to brake quickly, I pull back on the joysticks. If I want to brake slowly, I release them to the middle.